Islam mothers. I am reaching out to you to briefly say a few words, from a humble son who endeavors to be noble to the cause of serving mother in whatever capacity. I am your servant. I first would like to say it is most distressing to see mothers being steered to division with her sisters by an alternate energy. This activity is not new and I have unfortunately had to watch it happen repeatedly and step aside as mother could not hear my words. Almost all mothers and some who are simply standing by have been divided against each other by alternate energy. Many mothers are aware of this, however will not speak. Mothers are constantly being pulled, almost sometimes, into the fray with the intent to do the dirty work of disingenuous energies and must learn to refuse to injure their sisters. Especially in a public venue. This is where many of you find yourselves unbeknownst to you. There are simple lessons that mothers must learn as told to me by a noble elder mother. 1. If there is a mother in the mix, go to her. 2. Never take sides against your sisters. 3. Know that this uplifting of fallen humanity is about uplifting mother, which you will learn is the last thing many sons really want to happen, hence it has not. For this will only be resolved when mothers come together, as it is you who created the fall to begin with. With that said, I say please be careful, as there are many untoward energies around you. Mothers, that is not in harmony with this, which is what noble Drew Ali brought and was murder for. Consider and or reflect on why there are those who are advising mothers to recreate a process that is already in place, thereby a waste of your energy. Ask yourself why you are not united with elder mothers who have been active in this activity of uplifting fallen humanity for years. Ask yourself why are the mothers, who are active, talked about negatively as if they are taking advantage of people, while known sons who are in fact taking advantage of people no one talks about? Ask yourself if this is truly about lineal descent, bloodline and heritage. Why are the mothers and their babies being encouraged to take a commercial route by sons, which goes against noble Drew Ali's directive? There is not need for the 14th and 15th Amendment for the salvation of my people. This is the uniting of Asia, the uplifting and awakening of her, mother. So why are mothers being attacked? Mothers, you do not know who you have around you, and this may well be detrimental to you as it has been to other mothers who were also moved away from the protection of group sisters. I say these things for you with the hope that you have the eyes to see and the ears to hear. Void of division based on personal observation, trusting that you will embrace your sisterhood so that fallen humanity can be lifted up. Assalamu alaikum. Suleiman Bey, servant of Mother.